Hello students, today we'll understand how to do question number 8 of exercise 2.1, and then we'll learn how to do question number 1 and 2. I will be giving you some information on exercise 2.2 also. Okay, after watching the video you will perform question number 8 and question number 1 and 2 from exercise 2.2. Okay, so let's begin with question number 8. Now what question number 8 is saying: so Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Okay, so Michael finished the drawing, and how much hours he finished the painting? In 7 by 12 hours. Now there's another guy, Vaibhav, finished the coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Okay, now what is the question? The question is, who walked longer? This is the first question. Okay, who took the less time, or who took the maximum time, and what fraction was it longer? And you have to find the difference also. Now the question is, if Michael took more time or Vaibhav took more time. Now for that we have to write this. The time taken by Michael is 7 by 12 hours, and time taken by Vaibhav is 3 by 4 hours. Now we have to compare these two fractions, and we know that when we compare the fraction we have to make the denominator same. See, the denominators are not similar. So to make the denominator the same, the first step that we do is we get the LCM of the denominators. Now the LCM of the denominators, that is 12 and 4, is 12 only. Now the next step that we will do is that we'll write the first fraction, that is 7 by 12. Now what is the denominator out here? 12. And what is the LCM? 12. So we divide this LCM with this denominator. So what answer we'll get? 1. With that 1 we'll multiply the numerator as well as the denominator. So we'll get the required answer as 7 by 12. Okay. Now let's write the second fraction, that is 3 by 4. Now what is the denominator? 4. And what was the LCM? 12. Now divide this 12 with 4, you will get answer as 3. Now multiply this 3 with both the numerator as well as the denominator. See, 9 by 12. So now if you see carefully, then we get, now we are getting the two new two new fractions, that is 7 by 12 and 9 by 12. Both the fractions are carrying the same denominator. Now we can easily compare. Now which one is greater, 9 or 7? 9. So 9 by 12 is greater than 7 by 12. So 9 by 12 is originally coming from this particular fraction, that is 3 by 4. And 7 by 12 is originally coming from this one, so 7 by 12. Now 3 by 4 represents who? The Vaibhav. So Vaibhav walked longer compared to Michael. Okay, now this is the first answer, this question that we have answered. Now let's answer the second question, that is by what fraction was it long? That is, we have to get the difference. Now difference is equals to 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. LCM is 12 only. So 9 minus 7, that is 2 by 12. Reduce it. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So the answer is 1 by 6 hours. So Vaibhav walked 1 by 6 hours longer than Michael. Okay, so this is a solution of question number 8. Now let's move on to exercise number 2.2. Now in 2.2 there is some objective question in question number 1 and 2. So I've just given some of the examples. I believe that once you understand these examples, you will be in the position to do question number 1 and 2. Okay. Now suppose I will represent the following in figure. See, suppose if it is written like this. So how will you represent this particular form into the figures? So you have to understand this. Now what is the first number written? 2. Now 2 represents how many figures will be there. 2 represents how many figures will be there. It could be any figure. I have drawn one particular square. You could have taken square, circle also. You could have taken any other figure. Okay, but better take those figures which are easy to perform. Okay, so that is 2 means 2 figures you have to take. Now this denominator represents how many divisions would be there in each figure. That is 3. See, in each figure there are 3 divisions. Fine. So 2 means how many figures? It will represent number of figures. This 3 will represent how many divisions will be there in each figure, and this 1 will represent how many part will be shaded in each figure. That is 1 is there. So see, in each figure one part only is shaded. So this is how you represent 2 into 1 by 3 into the figure form. Let's see another one. 3 into 1 by 2. So 3 represents what? Number of figures. See, 3 figures are there. 2 represents what? In each figure, how many divisions would be there? So 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And this 1 represents what? That how many part would be shaded in each figure? That is 1. See? So this is how you represent this particular fractional form into the figure form. Now just do the reverse part. Now suppose if the figure is given and you have to write it in the fractional form, then it's very easy. Okay. Now represent the figure in the fractional form. So see, there is one circle. How many divisions are there? 1, 2, 3. So what you will do is that first you will write the number of division as a denominator. Write 3. Now then you will check out that how many part is shaded. That is only 1. So you will just write 1 by 3. This is as easy as this. Now just see how many divisions are there, students? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Isn't it? So I have written see denominator as 4. So how many part is shaded? 2. 1 and 2. So I have written 2. So this is how you represent the figures into the fractional form. This is as easy as this. So do submit question number 8 from exercise 2.1 and question number 1 and question number 2 from exercise 2.2. Okay students, take care and thank you.